What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing here in Dallas, Texas. I told y'all I was doing a giveaway, and well, here's the video for it. So I just want to say thank you to everybody out there for subscribing, taking time to watch the videos that I have spent time on and just to put out there for y'all to watch. Cannot say thank you enough. I would love to start doing more of this. I love giving stuff away, even details in my area. I'll do that also. I just got a call a little bit ago. Lady asked me if I would offer a package for a raffle they're doing at the high school. I said, please, sure, sign me up. It's awesome. Thank you so much for thinking about me. So anyways, so I am doing the giveaway on the Maxshine M8s. M8, if that didn't come out right, M8s. Polisher. It is a really good happy medium, I would say, between the Chicago Electric polisher and the Grio's G6. So that's kind of, this one kind of sits right there in the middle for me. I have used it this giveaway. It's not sponsored. Nobody's paying me or nothing like that to do this. Is just something I'm doing on my own accord. I bought this. I've used it probably 5 or 6 times. It was something I just wanted to have a handle on. That way when people ask me what do I think about different things, I can give an honest recommendation, and that's kind of what the whole, one of the whole things about doing the videos is, you know, being authentic and being transparent. So just want to say thank y'all, and this is just a way for me to give back. And just to be clear, so everybody's on the same page, I need you to be subscribed. I never say that in my videos. Never say never, and I'm saying it right now. And then I need you to comment in the comments. It just helps make it fair and easier for me to track on everybody. And then the winner will be picked this Tuesday. So I think that's the 4th. I don't know. Whatever Tuesday is. I'm losing track of time. Anyways, so I'll give you all a little demo on it. I'm going to use some Meguiar's D302 polish. One of my go-to polishes when I'm working in the sun. Very sunlight friendly. Smells really good too. If you've never used this stuff it's not going to break the bank, and it smells really good, and it gets the job done. So and stay tuned for when I'm done with this. I'm doing this little demonstration really quick, and then I'm going to talk about one more thing. So I'll adjust the camera really quick and bear with me while I switch around. I'm hoping the volume's a little bit better, because I did invest in a microphone. Hopefully it'll sound better for you guys. Make sure I got y'all in view really well. Excuse me, it's getting cold today, but we're gonna do this pretty quick. I'm gonna get on this side. And happy Saturday to everybody out there. Happy Saturday to y'all. I forgot to say that. So anyways, I'm gonna be using the Lake Country 5-inch HDO pad. It's one of my favorite pads to use. And I'm not going to bore y'all with this. It's just polishing paint, nothing fancy. I'm going to put it on the paint and just get after it and show whoever wins this, the lucky winner, that it worked really well. Forgive the noise. All right, here we go. Okay, so nothing fancy. All right, so there's the there's that, and then there's the polisher. I'm gonna wipe it off really quick, but I just really want to say thank you for everybody's support again. I'm actually kind of a little nervous. Normally I'm not nervous, but I'm actually a little excited nervous, I guess, for doing this giveaway. Never thought it'd really happen. I know that's pretty cliche to say, but I really never thought it would happen. But I want to say thank y'all. And there was another reason I was talking about in some of the pages. I dropped this link in the photo in earlier. There was a reason that I said please consider subscribing still, because like I said, the more I can do this, or as much as the ability I have to, I'm gonna give back. That's one of my favorite things to do, and that's what a really wise man told me one day. You know, is always pay it forward. That's the job. So not just a job, but it's just the right thing to do, and it's fun to watch people's reactions. So I encourage you guys, if you're not giving some of your time or anything away, to start doing it. It's very rewarding. But the reason I said to consider subscribing still is because when I hit 1,000, I will be giving away the Maxshine M15 Pro. Can y'all see that? This thing is a sweet machine. I love this thing. It is smooth as butter. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite. I have my favorite. Any of y'all don't know me, my favorite polisher is the Griot's G6. That is like, it's my baby. I love that polisher to death. But this one is great. I know everybody's got different opinions, different likes, dislikes. Some guys like longer throws, shorter throws. Hey, whatever floats your boat and makes you happy, get after it. That's what that's what it's all about, right? Finding what you like and, you know, working with it. So, so when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving this sucker away. So, I don't really have much else. I just want to say thank y'all and just appreciate all the support and everything y'all are giving me. And I'm gonna keep churning out more videos for you guys and start doing some, I guess, back to the basic stuff I learned that helped me out from when I was started detailing on the outside to polishing and all that stuff. But anyways, don't forget, in order to be eligible to get this, I need you to leave a comment below and be subscribed. And I'm going to be shipping this. You have to be in the lower 48 states. You're not going to have to pay anything. I'm going to be shipping it to you. We'll get in contact via email when the winner is selected on Tuesday. And I'm going to be throwing in a 3-inch Lake Country backing plate 5-inch, and then a Lake Country 3-inch backing plate also. It's got the handle and everything. It's got the wrench. You got the whole pamphlet and all that stuff. So everything's in here, and I'll be sending it your way. So best of luck to y'all, and just thank y'all so much again for the support. Y'all have a great weekend.